This Shorts channel is gaining millions of views today, and checking on Social Blade, you can see that this creator is earning quite a good income every month. But how does he release new videos so often? Don't worry, today I'll tell you how to create a similar channel and produce plenty of similar videos in just 10 minutes. Such hype videos can accumulate hundreds of thousands or even several million views. You'll also learn how to easily automate the process of creating these videos without spending a single cent. Today we'll only need two simple and popular sites, Canva and ChatGPT. I forgot to mention that in such content, there is intense competition, in other words, market saturation. So those who became successful in this niche are usually the ones who started producing it among the first. But don't be disappointed too quickly, because I'll show you how to outsmart competitors and gather the expected views, spending only 15 minutes a day, absolutely without any financial investments. With this method, you'll be able to create almost an unlimited number of videos without spending much time. To be honest, this video creation method is not revolutionary, and I didn't come up with it. Perhaps you've seen a video on YouTube where this method was demonstrated, but in any case, this video will be very useful for you because I'll cover most of the nuances in creating such content. If I've caught your interest, let's get to the point. First of all, together we need to choose a niche, as this is probably the most important thing you should do if you want to create your own channel. YouTube has many channels using this method, so it's worth choosing a niche that is less competitive to have a better chance of gaining a good audience. I'll probably choose a niche called quiz, as it is quite popular. However, I'll try to make the videos more interesting than those of competitors. If you're a beginner, I recommend choosing something similar so that it's easier for you to follow along with me. If you choose something radically different, it might be challenging to use this video tutorial. Let's go to our favorite GPT chat and ask it to generate 50 or 100 text presets for quizzes if you've chosen the same niche. Be sure to ask the GPT chat to generate the entire text in the form of a table, because it will be much more convenient. Once you're satisfied with everything, copy the final result to any text editor, although you can also do without it. After that, we go to a site called Canva. But to be able to automate video creation, we need to get the premium version. Don't worry, as the first month of use is completely free, and you can cancel this subscription at any time. After all these manipulations, we need to create a video. It's absolutely not difficult, and I'll demonstrate it to you now. Go to the video creation page, then add an animated background. Add texts. Start with questions, then the correct answers, and then mark the correct answer option. You must use the Showtime tab to edit the length of the text you've added. When everything is ready, be sure to add animations to each object to increase the video's dynamism. Optionally, add the necessary stickers and images. Ready, you can save your video now. But we forgot something: music. Unfortunately, you can't add it in Canva, so you can use any video editor. The video is ready, but before showing you how to set up the channel, let me show you how easy it is to automate the creation of such videos. Go to the Apps tab and type in Bulk Creation in the search. A menu will open where you can customize everything for yourself. If something is not clear, you can look for tutorials on this topic to better understand. Now we can create videos almost automatically, sometimes changing only some details. Now let's move on to writing the video description, keywords, and publishing the video. Since this is not a long video, we can do without creating a cover. Let's start with creating the video title. Again, nothing complicated. Go to the GPT chat, or you can use VidIQ and ask to generate a few titles for our videos. You can make a few attempts to get the best result. Copy the title and paste it into the video title. As for hashtags, you can do this in YouTube Studio or VidIQ. The main thing is to write tags that only correspond to the theme of your channel so that people can find your videos and channel. Now you can publish the video. But now I'll give you a few very important tips just for the beginning. Subscribe to the channel and like it to support my channel. So the first tip: publish videos regularly, preferably at the same time, because this will train the algorithms to promote your content, and the audience will get used to regular videos and will be more active. The second tip: upload at least 3 interesting videos per day. The third tip: don't give up after a few failures. The main thing is to try and experiment. After some time, everything will work out for you. If this video was helpful, share it with friends. Thanks for watching till the end. See you next time.